Are the thrills and spills of Helldivers 2 being interrupted by sudden crashes on your PS5? Do you find yourself tumbling into a black screen abyss rather than battling your way through extraterrestrial horde? Hold tight, because we've got a set of steps to help you get back into the action without a hitch. First off, it's all about the basics. Ensure your PS5 is updated to the latest software version. Sudden crashes can often be attributed to outdated software. Head to the settings, then System Software Update, and if there's an update waiting, get that installed. Next, it's time to do the same for Helldivers 2. Just like your console, your game needs to be up to date to function at its best. Head to the game on your main menu, press the Options button and select Check for Update. If an update is available, let the magic happen. Thirdly, let's get a little technical. Sometimes the PS5's cache needs a good clear out. Think of it as a digital spring cleaning. To do this, switch off your console completely. Don't just put it in rest mode. After waiting for about 10 minutes, power it back up and let the system do its thing. As a fourth step, consider rebuilding your PS5's database. It might sound daunting, but it's as simple as starting your console in safe mode and selecting the Rebuild Database option. It's like a defragmentation for your console, tidying up your data and potentially solving those pesky crashes. Finally, if all else fails, try uninstalling and reinstalling Helldivers 2. Sometimes a fresh install can be just the ticket to smooth out any underlying issues. So, to summarize, Step 1. Update your PS5 software. Step 2. Update Helldivers 2. Step 3. Clear your PS5's cache. Step 4. Rebuild your PS5's database. And Step 5. If all else fails, reinstall Helldivers 2. Crashes can be a nuisance, but with these steps, you'll be back to diving into hell in no time. Remember, a smooth gaming experience is just a few steps away. Happy gaming!